going on YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, man. I got my mans,
CJ.
and you already know what it is, man. It's Tuesday, y'all. I hope y'all having a great Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? If you were just now tuning in to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel. As well as ring that notification bell, give your boy a like, and drop a comment below and let us know what you all thought about the video. So we got two things in the mail today, man. One of these is not actually mine. It's my boy Flo's. I'm going to leave his Instagram. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it up right here. That's Flo's Instagram. Y'all go over there and show my boy Flo some love on the IG. Now, I ordered some kickz. He was like, yo, bro, you can check them out. And then you can push them out to me. Let me know what you think. So y'all already know, man. We gonna get to it, CJ. We got to see these, boy. Now, I've seen these before. You know, I don't know if any of you all have seen these before. Now y'all know. Go ahead. CJ, smile for him so we can get that thumbnail. Alright. So y'all, if y'all don't know, these right here are the DMP 11s, man. This is Flo's last pair that he needs to have the whole entire 11 collection. So we're going to check these bad boys out. As you see, he does have the Jordan little hang tag. And it says Jordan, Air Jordan 11, June 26, 1996. Defining moments, MJ's first professional championship after retirement. All right, y'all. So let's check these out, man. So, yes, the shoe is used. It has been worn. It is not brand new, but last version of this shoe that my man's Flo needed, bro. And I must say, this shoe is dope, man. My boy B-Boy Large Spin actually got these as well. And, you know, I think it's a dope shoe. It's your regular Concord, but we all know how much them defining moments are worth and how much they going for. There is nothing to clean this to bring this back to life and have it like nice and white. All in all, I think the bottom of the shoe is nice as well. It's been kept clean. You know, due to some aging, there is a little bit of color discoloration on the icy sole, but that's only natural. I really think that whoever had these took great care of these. But yeah, to my boy Flo, you finally did it, bro. You got all the Concord colorways, or releases, should I say, all the Concord releases from every year now. And appreciate you letting me go ahead, check these out. What you think, CJ?
Cool.
Yeah, man. I really think they cool, man. And I mean, as you see, man, you got, man, it's just a dope shoe, man. Really dope shoe. So, yeah, man. Shout out to the Small Feet gang, man. So, these are Flo's, man. If y'all want, man, I'll spend some pictures of these at the end just so y'all can get a look at it. I really think it's really dope how they did the cover. The cover is really dope with MJ. You know what I'm saying? It's like, you know what I'm saying, that joint, oh, bad. That joint fire. Like jumping out at you, you know what I'm saying, for that little layup. But, all right, so that's that, man. And also a little thing on there. You see it got like 96 right there. That's tight, too. On the regular Concord, but not the defining moments one. So, I really think that's dope. I think that's dope. And I'm glad that my man's was able to complete. Now he has all the Concords that have released. OG all the way up to, you know, he'll have another pair coming up when they release later on this year. But CJ, BJ, you want to tell them something about them bugs, bro?
So bugs are where they crawl around on you and swiggle on the floor and crawl. But the ants are better. They crawl on the bugs whenever they... Oh, and the guard ants, they guard the hole, you know, the hole where they go inside, bring the food. And the nurse ones, they actually carry the larvas.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
All right, man. Appreciate that tip, bro. You know what I'm saying? My man CJ the BJ said he gonna start a bug channel, y'all. So we gonna see how that work out, man. He want to talk about bugs and stuff like that. You know, he might do the little gaming thing because he be playing like the Nintendo Switch now. And yeah, he might. We gonna see what CJ the BJ got in store for y'all, man. So be looking out for that. Ain't that right, bro?
Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist.
CJ.
And you know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and spin y'all some pictures so y'all can get some up and close looks of these defining moments as well as the dog tag and everything. But hope y'all have a great Tuesday. Keep doing whatever it is that you do, when you do, what you do, and whenever you do it, make sure you do it at your best. So, yeah, let's get it.